In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a fake spotlight effect and properly understand all the lighting effect settings. This effect helps you highlight your subject while slightly darkening the surrounding area to create focus. Let's begin. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now, go to the effects panel and search for lighting effects. Drag it onto your clip, go to the effect controls panel. You'll see the lighting effects section with multiple settings. Under light 1, change the light type to spotlight. Now you'll see a circular spotlight appear in the program monitor. Let's understand the main controls. Center controls the position of the spotlight. You can move it directly in the program monitor or adjust the X and Y values. Major radius controls the width of the spotlight. Increasing this makes the light wider. Minor radius controls the height of the spotlight. Adjusting both major and minor radius helps shape the spotlight properly. The angle rotates the light direction if needed. Now adjust intensity. Increase it to make the spotlight brighter. Reduce it if it looks too harsh. Next is focus. Higher focus gives you a sharper, more concentrated spotlight. Lower focus makes the light softer and more diffused. Now scroll down. You'll see ambient light color and ambience intensity. Ambient light controls the brightness of the overall frame outside the spotlight. We reduce ambience intensity slightly to darken the surroundings and make your spotlight stand out more. Finally, keep surface gloss at 0 unless you want a shiny or artificial lighting effect. Play your clip and fine-tune the position, radius, and intensity until the spotlight looks natural. The key is subtle adjustment. The effect should guide attention, not look fake, and that's it. You now know how to use all the lighting effects settings to create a fake spotlight in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.